All right, Kingsmill. First of all, happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Hope it's a great holiday season with friends and family. We have a lot to be thankful for. Thank you all for being members here. We're back at the fitness center, going through another update of our progress. It's been moving pretty fast. We are super excited to show you what's been going on. Big thank you to everyone who's come out to the pool the past couple weeks. Super excited that that's been off the ground and going well. And looking forward to showing you around. Once again, live hard hat tours on Wednesdays and Saturdays. Come on out. Love to show you around in person. But we're going to go through the building here. Come on. So we just walked through what was the door from the swimming pool hallway into the ladies' locker room. So we are in the ladies' locker room now that has been framed, finished, painted. It is basically ready for locker work. We're gonna go see those next, but the lockers are here. They're gonna get installed next week. Walls are painted, framed, ready to go, electrics up. We are all pretty much good to go here in the ladies' locker room. Super excited to see the progress. Still finishing out the wet suites with the hot tub, brand new hot tub, sauna, jacuzzis, new piping, new mechanical, new drainage. All that stuff is getting ready to go. New showers, toilets, hand washing stations. And then this is our entrance from the main floor to the ladies' locker room. There's going to be a hand wash station, sink station as you land. All right, lots of material around, be careful. As you can see, we've started to frame a lot of the corners, a lot of the walls, insulation's up. All the sheetrock and drywall is in the building. Everything that's left there's gotta go. And then on our cardio floor, our brand new beautiful lockers are arrived, ready for install. Like we said, they're gonna start next week. On the main floor and around the building, as we look up, we are painting all the HVAC and all the equipment up there. Everything's gonna be black as you look up to the roofs. Looks great. Progress is really coming along. Going through our main cardio floor here. Talked about the lockers landing. But a lot of the flooring, the LVT laminate is here and ready to go. Our two fitness studios. Get the drywall and the sheetrock next. Everybody still here? And we make our way back through the men's locker room. That's our entrance from the cardio floor. A lot of it has been framed. Drywall's up. Gets painted next, and then the lockers go up. And then we finish in the men's wet suite. Same thing, new showers, sinks, bathroom stalls, and then an all new hot tub, sauna, and jacuzzi. That's all being installed. New plumbing, new electrical, new drains, top to bottom. Pretty dang impressive. It's been quite fun the past couple weeks. Look forward to showing you more progress. Kingsmill, once again, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Hope it's a great holiday season.